You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome. In today's episode, we're going to talk about moving from Los Angeles to Japan and how to easily navigate the custom process. If you're planning an overseas move, understanding certain custom regulations is crucial for a stress-free experience. Moving to Japan from Los Angeles opens doors to new experiences and opportunities. However, the custom process can be complicated and it requires careful attention. At SDC International Shipping, we're committed to making your international move seamless. In today's episode, we're going to walk you through the essential steps and tips to ensure the smooth and hassle-free transition to Japan. Before you start packing, you must familiarize yourself with Japan's custom regulations. Japan has very specific rules regarding the import of personal belongings, and being prepared can help you avoid delays or complications. Research is key. For detailed guidance, check out SDC's International Shipping Customs Clearance Guide that's available on our website. First, let's talk about the essential documents for custom clearance. In order to clear customs in Japan, you'll need several important documents. First, your passport and visa. Ensure your passport is valid and you have the appropriate visa to stay in Japan. This is your primary identification for the customs process. Second, inventory list. Create a detailed list of all items being shipped, including their descriptions and values. This helps custom officials understand what's in your shipment and its worth. For tips on preparing an accurate inventory list, visit our packing service page. Third, bill of landing. This document is provided by your moving company and it details the specifics of your shipment. It serves as a contract and receipt for all the goods being transported. And fourth, customs declaration form. Accurately fill out this form to declare the nature and the value of your belongings. This is a critical step to make sure your items clear customs without any issues. Here are a few additional tips for a smooth custom process. Make sure you research custom restrictions. Japan has very strict regulations regarding certain items. Do your research and make sure that none of your belongings fall into restricted or prohibited categories. Keep your documentation handy. Have all necessary documents very easily accessible. This will streamline the custom inspection process and it will prevent delays. Another tip, consider professional help. For added peace of mind, consider enlisting a moving consultant or custom broker. They can assist with paperwork and navigate any complicated regulations on your behalf. And SDC International Shipping is here to help. We are committed to excellence. At SDC International Shipping, we're dedicated to providing exceptional moving service to make sure that your relocation is as smooth as possible. With over 14 years of experience, we offer competitive prices, personalized shipping quotes tailored to your needs. We also offer exceptional services. We are focused on delivering the best customer experience. And we have shipping expertise. We have extensive knowledge and skill in specifically international shipping. And we have ethical business. We handle your move with integrity and care. Thanks for listening to today's episode. If you want more information on how SDC International Shipping can assist you with your move from Los Angeles to Japan, visit our website or give us a call. We're here to ensure your relocation is as stress-free as possible. We want your move to be successful.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.